Today we are going to be making a very delicious chocolate cake with dried fruits. And for that we'll need the following ingredients. We'll need 2 cups of flour, we'll need a cup of sugar, a cup of oil, a cup of hot water. I don't have it yet here, but this is for it. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of soda, a tiny touch of vinegar to use for the soda, a teaspoon vanilla, and some dry fruits or nuts. You could get the candied fruits or whatever you like. Add your sugar to your bowl, mixing bowl. Add your cup of hot water. Add your half cup of oil. Dissolve the sugar in the water. When the water slightly cools down, add your flour. And your cocoa powder. And your soda. I'm actually going to use some hot water rather than the vinegar, because I want to slightly decrease the thickness of my batter. Add your teaspoon extract of vanilla and your fruits and nuts. Mix well. Preheat your oven. We're gonna preheat it at 390 degrees and we're gonna bake our cake for 30 minutes. It turns out I misplaced my cake sheet somewhere, so I'm gonna be using 2 loaf sheets, forms, and we'll start from coating them with the tiny touch of oil. You could use your parchment paper or your foil, whatever you prefer. Pour and spread your batter in your form. You can try and shake your form to even out the surface. Place your cake in the oven. So guys, it turned out to be really delicious. Look at the cut. You can see all the raisins and cranberries and nuts showing up. It's really good. I finished like one of the loaves almost in one sit. So I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. Enjoy it!
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to click the bell icon beside the subscribe button to be notified about all new videos or live stream.